When OpenAI Sora 2 launched, it didn't just raise eyebrows, it made us all question the reality. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. With the ability to insert everyday people into hyper-realistic AI videos, complete with synced dialogue and imaginative scenarios, Sora 2 became more than just a tech demo. It became a mirror reflecting an uncomfortable truth that we're blurring the lines between performance and programming. And now, Norwood, the so-called AI-generated aspiring actress with over 50,000 Instagram followers and a growing portfolio of AI-generated clips created by Particle6 and introduced as an AI artist, Tilly isn't a person, she's a program, a hyper-real digital entity with photorealistic charm, flawless delivery, and no need for sleep or pay. At first glance, Tilly's presence feels like clever fiction, but behind the polished pose lies a brewing storm in the creative world. Real actors who've spent decades fighting for fair treatment and job security are ringing the alarm. Tilly is being scouted by real talent agents. Her creators claim she's not a replacement for humans, she's just a piece of art. But the disclaimer only came after backlash. The original pitch was clear that AI stars who never tire, never age, and interact with fans. This isn't just CGI 2.0. Unlike Buzz Lightyear or Woody, Tilly doesn't need a voice actor either. The tech supplies everything, and while she may one day headline a blockbuster or be on a billboard, she will never feel fame, never know what it means to act. The fear isn't that Tilly will become real, it's that audiences might stop caring whether she is. The future of entertainment may be filled with digital darlings, and only your side of the screen will still be human. Is this revolutionary or scary? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.